This is a nutrient separating baffle box that was installed, and it's a great retrofit tool. We have about 46 acres of drainage area upstream of this baffle box. And so all of that stormwater runoff has been flowing untreated into Bear Lake, which is part of the Wekiva spring shed. And so this baffle box essentially was able to retrofit the system and treat that 46 acres. It's a big box in the ground that's put into the middle of the existing stormwater culverts, and it has a series of chambers that capture the leaves, all of the miscellaneous garbage that comes down our roadways. The sands and the heavier sediment drops down into the chambers, and then that red box right there holds the nutrient filter media. The baffle box is removing approximately 65 pounds of nitrogen a year and about 10 pounds of phosphorus a year. The original baffle boxes did a great job of collecting the sand, sediment, leaves, the big stuff. Nitrogen and phosphorus is one of the biggest pollutants we have here in the state of Florida. And so the more of those nutrients we can keep out of our water bodies, the cleaner we'll be able to keep them and protect them.